Welcome back. So, in the upcoming episode of Jaane Anjaane Hum Mile, the family is thrown into chaos as Bindya and Buaji's dangerous plan finally begins to work. Pretending to be kind and caring, Bindya earns Reeth's complete trust while secretly plotting against her. When Reeth leaves baby Rian safely surrounded by pillows, Buaji quietly removes them, hoping the child will fall. Thankfully, Raghav arrives just in time and catches Rianch before anything terrible happens. But the real shock comes next. After being manipulated for days, Reed suddenly becomes convinced that Riansh is actually her own son. Overcome with emotion, she hugs the baby tightly and refuses to hand him over to anyone. Bindya immediately turns the situation in her favor. She breaks down in tears, accuses Reed of trying to steal her child, and begs the family to save her baby. Her emotional performance leaves everyone confused about whom they should believe. Raghav tries his best to calm Reed and make her understand the truth. Even her sister in law attempts to explain the situation, but Reeth refuses to listen. Buaji uses the opportunity to declare that Reeth has become mentally unstable and is obsessed with someone else's child. However, despite everything, Raghav starts wondering if there might actually be some hidden truth behind Reeth's strong instincts, adding another layer of mystery to the story. Meanwhile, another major fight breaks out inside the house. Asmita storms in and angrily confronts Divya, accusing her of secretly ruining her marriage alliance by speaking to her future in laws. Divya denies every allegation and argument quickly turns into a physical confrontation. Just before things get completely out of control, Pratik and Reed step in to separate the two women. The drama doesn't end there. Raghav arrives and witnesses the heated confrontation. Asmita boldly tells him that Divya destroyed her future and now she must fix everything herself. Before leaving, she gives Divya a final warning, demanding that she must immediately contact her former in laws and undo the damage she has caused. With Reed believing Riyansh is her own son and Bindya's manipulation reaching new heights, Buaji adding fuel to the fire, and Asmita declaring war on Divya, the upcoming episode promises powerful emotional moments, shocking confrontation, and unexpected twist that could change everyone's lives forever. Thank you for watching. Bye.